Hi there Toasty fans, here's another easy toasted sandwich recipe. This time it's a mushroom toasted sandwich, absolutely gorgeous. Got the lovely flavours of mushroom with some gooey cheese. So what you need for this is some chestnut mushrooms, some onions and some lovely Gouda cheese or similar, and some salt and pepper to season. Start this recipe off, just simply fry the onions and the mushrooms together till they're lovely and brown. Add some seasoning at the end. The reason you do this is you really want to get the moisture out of those mushrooms and really bring out those lovely flavours that are there, those earthy, woody flavours from mushrooms that are really going to enhance this toasted sandwich. To do this, I recommend you do get like a small little frying pan like I've got here, a nice cast iron one, it's very simple to use. It doesn't take long to fry the mushrooms either, it's just a couple of minutes and they're done. Do it over a high heat, they can take it. And there we have them, lovely and brown, ready to go. And now you're ready to build your mushroom toasted sandwich. So open up your heated toasted sandwich maker and lay out one piece of bread. Oh, missed a step. Add some oil first if you want. Then lay out one piece of bread. Add a slice of cheese. And start to spoon on your mushrooms. Get those mushrooms piled on as much as you can. Not really too much if they're going to the edges, that's not a problem. You want to get all of them on there. Really cram it full of the mushroom and onion mixture. So I see I lost one there, but no problem. I'm sure I'll rescue that one in a minute. There we go. Just watch those fingers, it's hot. Fantastic. Now next phase, just line another piece of cheese. These cheese slices are really useful, dead easy to use, and they melt really well. Put the other top slice on, close your toasted sandwich maker, and then leave it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Oh, there we go, a lovely, delicious, golden brown mushroom toasted sandwich oozing with cheese, ready to be enjoyed. I recommend you give this one a go this lunchtime, or for breakfast even. Fantastic sandwich. Look at those lovely mushrooms there. Do you like mushrooms? Let me know in the comments.